Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this video, I'm gonna show you how I painted this Halloween theme rock. It's really simple and easy to do. You just need basically 4 colors. I use black, white, orange, and yellow. So I started by painting the rock with the outer area on black, just plain black. I use acrylic paints. I'm gonna leave the descriptions of the paints and other tools that I use to paint my rocks and to do my art and craft on the description below on this video, so check it out. I waited for the paint to dry, and then I went ahead and painted the circle on the center orange. This is just simple plain acrylic paints, nothing fancy. I like to do it this style so anybody can follow my tutorials. If you're still watching this video, I suggest you to subscribe to my channel. I do rock painting, but if you want me to do something else, let me know. Or if you have any questions, suggestions, leave it on the section below on the comment section. And I say it in most of my videos, my goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks and just have fun, because it's very relaxing. Might be frustrating at the beginning because you want to do something that is perfect, but as they say, you are your worst critic. So don't beat yourself up by wanting to rock to come out exactly as somebody else. You have to come up with your own style, with your own design, your own paintings. And believe me, once you do that, you are able to enjoy painting no matter what you do. And I do this so I can share my art. I'm not a professional painter. I'm self-taught and just bought some paint and started painting. And I love painting rocks. So I hope you subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you can receive announcements on my next videos. So again, I don't need to explain much on this rock. It's very simple. Just follow my tutorial, and at the end I put some white dots and a smile on a pumpkin that is hanging, and a suggestion of 2 pumpkins sitting on the ground. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I hope I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.